Yo, what is up, guys? I'm currently in Maryland, and it is really snowing hard out there right now. It seems to be about a couple inches of snow. Yeah, based on the car tire there, seems to be a couple inches of snow, maybe 5 or 6 inches. It's 7 a.m., 7:23 a.m. That's what worries me. It's still snowing, even though it's 7:23, and the temperature is not even gonna rise above, I think, 20 degrees today. So it's really gonna stick, and there's not gonna be that much sun. So yeah, hey, at least it's snow and not ice. You know, I'd rather have a bunch of snow than a bunch of ice. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, you can. I don't know if y'all can see from the camera, but it is like there's a lot of snowflakes like coming down. They're not that big, but it's a bunch of like small ones. It's pretty cool. You know, I always wondered, where did the snowflake, like the shape of a snowflake, every snowflake is complex. I've never seen a snowflake that looked like that. I've never seen that. Maybe I'm just tripping, but wow, it looks like there's a squirrel in the tree. But yeah, that's it. Peace. And stay safe and stay warm.